So last time I showed you guys the most affordable category active noise cancelling headphones, right? Today I'm back with the most affordable category noise cancelling earbuds. What is up guys? Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. A lot of people keep looking to buy like good quality truly wireless earbuds with special features like active noise cancellation or maybe like ambient mode and things like that, right? But usually these sort of earbuds are like quite expensive guys, very premium price point. But not anymore. Sony has just launched like a brand new model in the Indian market, guys. This one is called as the WF-C700N, and I think it's probably the most affordable category active noise cancelling earbuds from Sony. And this is what we'll be checking out in this video, guys. I'm like very excited to talk about them. First, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Our brand new Sony earbuds come in this sort of box packaging. We actually have two color variants over here. I'll be unboxing and comparing both these color variants side by side. Model we'll be checking out is their all new 2023 WF Series C700N, their most affordable active noise cancelling truly wireless earbuds in 2023. You can even check out all of its main specs and highlights mentioned over here, and they're totally available in 4 different colors. I believe we have the lavender and sage green edition to unbox and check out in this video, and these are actually review samples sent by the brand, guys. You can even see these stickers that says not for sale on the box. This is not something you can get your hands on. Anyways, let me quickly unbox it and show you what's inside the package. There you go, our brand new Sony C700N ANC in lavender color. Very funky looking colors. Oh, these are actually pastel colors. Look at them. Very subtle matte finishing. We'll come to that in a moment. Along with that, you get a Type-C cable for charging, some extra pair of ear tips in different sizes, and also some paperwork. Just make sure to read this for all the information on pairing and how to use them. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now, let me quickly give you like a closer look and talk about the design. We have both the color variants, guys. This one is the sage green, and on the right, we have the lavender edition. Let me quickly open it and show you. Oh wow, beautiful pastel colors. Very nice. I was kind of bored with that regular black sort of color, so this is definitely a fresh breath in truly wireless earbuds. This one sorta has like a blue sort of finish, especially on the case and the body, but the ear tips are definitely in lavender purplish color. Which one did you people like? Let me know in the comment section down below. I definitely kind of like the lavender more than the sage green. Anyways, that's up to your personal choice. If you talk about the design, right, they have a cylindrical sort of case and is also like very lightweight, guys. The case I think weighs around only 31 grams and is super lightweight. On the front, you have a tiny status LED indicator, and build quality is also very good. Entirely made of like polycarbonate and has a nice matte textured finish. At the back, you have a Bluetooth pairing button, Type-C port for charging, and Sony branding at the top side. It's a magnetically opening sort of lid and definitely gives you a nice sort of feedback when you're opening and closing it. Let me just quickly take the earbuds out. Initial impressions, beautiful looking earbuds and has a matte sort of finishing, guys. Good thing is it doesn't attract any sort of fingerprints on a long run. And as I've told you, main highlight of the C700N is it's got like active noise cancelling support, and I believe these are your forward feed mics for that enhanced ambient mode while using. You have the Sony branding over here, microphones are also there, and comes with physical buttons on board, fully customizable using Sony Connect app. On the bottom, you have the charging contacts marked with left and right indications as well, and quality of the ear tips is also nice, feels soft and durable. So that's it, our complete overview, and not to miss out, they're also IPX4 rated, sweat and splash resistant as well. So now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on them, starting off with the comfort levels and basically like what are my thoughts that I got during the testing period. So if you talk about the comfort, right, they have a very ergonomic design and are like super lightweight in the hand. Each of these earbuds weigh only around like 4.5 grams, and combine it with the case, I think they are around like 31 grams, so very portable. Also the case has like a nice cylindrical sort of compact and pocket size form factor, guys. You can easily throw it in your pocket and take it anywhere on the go. Comfort wise, as I've told you guys, very lightweight earbuds and feel super comfortable when you're actually wearing them. And apart from that, if you talk about the controls as well, you're getting physical buttons over here, right? Sometimes I actually prefer having physical buttons over touch buttons because these actually give you like a feedback that your command has been registered and these functions are also working well. If you talk about the functions and stuff, you can easily customize them using Sony's headphones app. On the left earbud, by default now you're getting like the ambient sound and noise cancellation shortcut. shortcuts, you can easily switch between them. And on the right earbud, you're getting your music control shortcuts. You can even assign them to voice assistant as per your usage. These earbuds are also IPX4 rated splash and sweat resistant. So even if you do a bit of workouts or maybe like exercises while wearing these earbuds, nothing to worry about, they can definitely handle them. And coming to the noise isolation part, decent noise isolation, guys. And good thing is these earbuds have a firm grip and they don't fall off that easily even while you're jogging, guys. So that's a plus point, definitely, I would say. Keeping all of that aside, main highlight of the C700N is they support active noise cancellation with adaptive sound control. Plus you're also getting like ambient mode also. We'll be coming there and talking about that in depth in a moment. First of all, let me tell you about the sound quality, because that is also like very crucial, right? People actually buy premium earbuds mainly for sound. Initially I was a bit skeptical because, as I've told you, these are like very affordable category ANC earbuds from Sony. So I thought, did Sony actually compromise a bit on the sound quality to offer ANC at this price point? But nothing like that. I've been using them for more than a week, almost like 8-9 days, and I was like very impressed with the sound quality over here. No, I'm not exaggerating, guys. I'm like being very honest. Now come on, these are like earbuds from Sony. They've made like premium flagship level stuff, 1000x M4 M5, so you can definitely expect good quality sound from these earbuds. Mids were crisp and clear, no matter what sort of music or even you're watching movies, right? Dialogues were crisp and clear, great amount of clarity. You can easily hear and distinguish all sorts of frequencies. Overall, if I had to share, it had like a very flat sort of sound profile with a little bit of warm sound tone, guys. If you talk about the treble performance was also very good. It was producing silky smooth treble with minimum harshness, and that sibilance effect was also not that prominent, so that's also a good thing. And coming to the bass, now if you remember, I've told you that these earbuds pack like 5mm drivers that are tuned by Sony, right? So initially I was a bit skeptical, matlab bass aayega ya nahi at such small drivers, but nothing like that. I was blown away when I listened to like bass on these earbuds, guys. Bass is like killer over here. It was producing like deep and punchy bass, and you definitely had that thump coming out from them. Very nice bass profile over here, guys. Rounded and well balanced bass, I would say. Talking about the distortion, distortion was minimum up to 90% volume level, but beyond that you definitely can feel a bit of distortion. And audio output level was also really satisfactory, guys. I was using it mostly around like 85% volume level and was like plenty satisfied with the output. If I had to nitpick, only thing I would say is sound stage on these earbuds is a bit limited, because they are like closed in-ear type earbuds, right? No matter what sort of earbuds you take with these sort of designs, sound stage would be a bit limited, guys. If you want that open sort of sound stage, obviously you'll need to go for like open back headphones. They will only offer you like a realistic sound stage. You cannot expect that from these tiny earbuds. And keeping that aside, one more thing if I had to say is the audio codecs part, guys. As I've told you, these are like affordable category ANC earbuds from the brand, so you're only getting like SBC and AAC audio codec support. There is no LDAC, so this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Sony usually offers them only on their premium lineup of audio products. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part. How's the noise cancelling performance over here? C700N actually do a very good job with the noise cancellation. As I've told you, it's got like active noise cancellation and have like forward feeding mics for ambient mode support as well. And noise cancellation was definitely doing a good job. It was cutting down a lot of unnecessary background noise, low frequency sounds like fan noise, wind noise, or maybe low key construction sounds, etc. in your alley by almost 80 to 85%. Though not as great as Sony's premium models, maybe like the Linkbuds or the 1000x M4, but definitely does a good job and justifies this price tag. Not to miss out, there's also ambient mode on it, which you can toggle using the left earbud, and ambient mode gives you like a surrounding awareness and lets you hear better, especially when people are talking to you or you want to hear some important announcements when you're at an airport or maybe like a train station or something like that. Super useful in these sort of scenarios where you especially don't even need to take out the earbud from your ear. Plus, it's also fully customizable using the app. You can adjust how much ambient level you want to set depending on the particular scene, and special voice focus feature is also there. Only thing that I was missing over here was Sony's speak to chat function, which I believe is reserved for the premium lineup. Also, in-ear wear detection sensors are missing to compensate for the price. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. Battery life was decent over here. Again, these are like noise cancelling earbuds, right? So don't expect like extraordinary battery life. No, it's not possible. On a mediocre sort of usage with the volume set to around like 70%, you can expect around like 7 to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge with the ANC mode off. But if you actually enable ANC, right, then you can expect around like 4.5 to 5 hours of battery life. And if you combine the built-in battery in the case also, you can totally expect around like 15 hours of battery backup with the ANC off. So these were the kind of results I was getting. But not to worry, good thing is these earbuds also support fast charging. A simple 10-minute charge will offer you around like 60 minutes of music playback. Well, that's it, our video on Sony's all new WF series C700N. I can surely say they are one of the best sounding earbuds you can get with active noise cancellation support for 8,990 rupees. Lightweight, comfortable, premium sound experience and lots of interesting features. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.